Hello people, so let's go to trick 8, Quant 45 to 51. Work rate and time, how to assume work to make your task very easy. Let's have a look at the question. Tom, working alone, can paint a room in 6 hours. Peter and John, working independently, can paint the room in 3 hours and 2 hours. Tom starts painting the room and works on his own for 1 hour. He is then joined by Peter and they work together for an hour. Finally, John joins them and the three of them work together to finish the room. Each one working at the respective rate, of course. What fraction of the whole job was done by Peter? So we get so many of these questions where some person come in, some person go away, and we are required to know the total time. So guys, we are going to assume the work to make our task very easy. Remember, we'll only use this method when we are given the individual time of each and every person, as in this case, right? So let's focus on the numbers. So we have 6 hours for Tom. So Tom is taking a time of 6 hours. Whereas we have Peter taking a time of 3 hours. And we have John who is taking the time of 2 hours. Now do not assume the work to be 1. Assume their LCM. So 2, 3 and 6. The LCM is 6. So why not to assume the work as 6? Now what this will do will make the things very easy for the rate. Let us see rate. Rate is work upon time. So 6 upon C, 1. He is working 6 in 3 hours. So he is working 2 in 1 hour. And this is 6 upon 2. That is simply 3. So see how quickly we got the rate. And now the rate is not in fraction but in numeric terms. Makes it very easy. Now we can simply draw our work rate in time table. Right. Where we know that work equals to rate into time. Total work we know is 6. And let's just draw the scenario and make it very simple in just a flowchart. You won't require any calculation and it will just take 20 seconds from here. So Tom starts painting the room and works on his own for 1 hour. So first hour, who is working? Only Tom is working. And we know the Tom's rate and that's 1. So how much work is done? 1. What happens after that? After that, he is joined by Peter and they work together for another hour. So now we are again 1 hour and now we are working with Tom and Peter. So Tom and Peter, right? So write down here if you need it for later purpose for revision. So Tom and Peter, we have 3 rate now, 2 plus 1 which is 3. Work done will be 3. Now finally, John joins them and the 3 of them work together. So guys, we had the total work which was 6. Now out of that 3 plus 1, 4 is done. So remaining is 2. And now all of them are working together. So Tom, Peter and John. So how much is the total rate? 3, 4, 5, 6 because all of them are working now. So rate is 6 and the time work upon rate that's 1 by 3 or 20 minutes. Right? 1/3 of an hour or 20 minutes. So of course guys, they're going to take 2 hours and 20 minutes and we are done without any tedious calculations of reciprocals. Now, the question also asks us what fraction of the whole job was done by Peter. This will also become very simple for us. Now guys, work done by Peter is equals to rate of Peter into time of Peter. So, what is the rate of Peter? Very simple, 2. What is the time Peter has worked? So see, I was writing it, now it's going to be beneficial for me. Peter worked over here and over here. So 1 plus 1 by 3. So that is the amount of time Peter has worked. So that's 4 by 3. So this is the time of Peter. So Peter has done 8 upon 3 work. Out of how many? Of course, we need to calculate the fraction. So he has worked 8 by 3 out of the 6 work. Correct? So it's 2 4s, right? And 2 3s. So we have 4 by 9. So Peter is going to work 4/9. So here we have the answer. E 4/9 he has done. And the total time is, of course guys, 2 hours and 20 minutes. Alright guys, so let's see it once again so that it becomes very clear to you. So guys, whenever you see the individual time of each and every person, assume the total work to be their LCM. So 2, 3 and 6, LCM 6. Write down their time. We have Tom, Peter and John. Their time is 6, 3 and 2. So their rate is going to be work upon time. 6 by 6, 1, 6 by 3, 2 and 6 by 2, 3. Once you are done till here, just draw work rate in time table and just keep on writing who comes in and who goes away. Right? So first hour it was nothing, but simply Tom started working. So the time is 1 hour, rate of Tom is 1, work done 1. Then he was joined by Peter, so now the rate becomes 1 plus 2, that's 3. And he worked again for 1 hour, so we have 3 work done. Now the total work which was left was 6 minus 4, that's 2, because the total was 6 over here, right? And now all of 3 were working, so 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6. So the rate is 6 and the time is 1 by 3rd. So 2 hours and 20 minutes. Then you can calculate anyone's individual time simply by work equals to rate into time. Time for the person who is working, rate of the person who is working. And that will be his work. If you want to calculate the fraction of work, divide his work by 6. That's it guys, and it will just take under 1 minute for you to solve the tedious questions. Thank you.